In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive message in Fiverr. If your inbox feels cluttered, archiving is a quick way to keep things organized without deleting any conversation history. Archiving simply moves a thread out of your main view so you can focus on what's active and you can bring it back whenever you need it. Make sure you're signed in to your Fiverr account before you begin. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. Any current browser works fine. In the Google search bar, type Fiverr and press Enter. Look for the official Fiverr result and click it. A good habit is to confirm the address bar shows fiverr.com before you sign in or proceed, just to be safe. Once you're on Fiverr, head to the upper right corner of the page and click the envelope icon or the messages label to open your inbox. That's where all your buyer and seller conversations live. If you're on a smaller screen and don't immediately see the icon, try widening the window or checking the site's main menu. On mobile, messages may appear along the bottom navigation, but the process is the same. Next, select the conversation you want to archive. Click into that specific message thread so the full chat opens. Take a moment to confirm it's the right one, especially helpful if you have multiple threads with similar subjects or usernames. Inside the open conversation, look for the three dots menu, often called the More menu, near the top of the chat window. Click the three dots to reveal your conversation options. From that menu, choose Move to Archive. The thread will disappear from your main inbox, leaving your workspace cleaner and easier to manage. This action does not delete the conversation, block the user, or erase your message history. You'll still receive future messages, and the thread remains searchable. If you ever want it back in your main view, open the conversation again and use the same menu to reverse the action. You can also find archived threads by searching for the contact's name or a keyword from the chat, or by using inbox filters, depending on Fiverr's current layout. That's the entire workflow. Go to Google, search for Fiverr, open the official site, click Messages, open the conversation you want, tap the three dots, and select Move to Archive. Use archiving for closed or inactive chats to keep your inbox focused on current work and keep ongoing orders front and center so you never miss important updates. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a tidier Fiverr inbox.